This is at the Stroda family farm near Hope, Kansas. This is one of the earliest harvests of wheat that we can remember. Today is May 28th, Memorial Day 2012. And you can see we're harvesting wheat. We happen to have two combines running today in this field. The one that you see now is out in the middle of the field. And as I pan to my left or west toward the hedge, down along the southwest corner, there's another combine down there and along the trees. You can see the fog of dust in where the combines come in this direction.